The cord is a 2-wire 14-gauge cord. Power cords tend to receive lots of abuse. The cord can be cut, nicked, internally damaged, or have the prongs broken off. A damaged cord should be immediately replaced to avoid an electric shock. Replacing the cord is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the side cover from the router. Now remove the cord clamp. Now remove the terminal block from the housing. And remove the cord wires. Now I can remove the cord guard from the cord. Now I can begin installing the new cord. First I need to cut the wires to length. I'll use the old cord as a guide to get the length right. I'll strip back about 1/4 inch of insulation from each of the wires. And I'll twist the braided wire. Now I can reinstall the cord guard. I place it over the wires and slide it onto the insulation. Now reconnect the wires to the terminal block. And I'll reinstall the terminal block into the housing. I'll install the strain relief into the opening in the housing and use the cord clamp to resecure the cord. Now I can reinstall the side cover. The side cover clips in at the top first and is then secured with the screws. And that's how easy it is to install a new power cord on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.